Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about ApeCoin and identifying entry levels to be part of a 50% rally. But before we dive into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. If you look, as you can see, ApeCoin is still very fresh in its existence. And one thing that I always love to do then on those charts, certainly on an hourly chart, for example, let's first of all, this first price action, let's leave that one out. It's not relevant for the moment. It will become relevant should we get back up there on the higher end, but for the moment, let's leave that out. Let's first mark up the most important levels to the upside and the downside, which is this double bottom at $7.25, and then this lonely top here at $18.05. Then what we can already see a little bit with the blind eye is, for example, that we can see here that we have a bit of a descending trend line, which is all in all very well respected and even saw a clean breakthrough over here. I'll drill into that a little bit later. And next to that, if we put on here a little bit of a ascending trend line in the green, there we go. No point in putting moving averages on at the moment because there isn't enough time, enough trading days that have been accounting for to put on a 55 daily or a 200 daily, which is one of my preferred ones. So for the moment, we will leave that out of the equation for now. So as you can see, we even put a bit one here. It's not the proper one, so I'll leave that one out. No. Okay, so as you can see, intersection of descending, ascending, and the most important thing that I want to encircle, that is the fact that over here we have had a very solid handover with break above, but we got a close below, and then the next day the price opened just above that red descending trend line. So that was a perfect technical bounce off in the handover in the hourly between the 9 o'clock and the 10 o'clock. So punched through, came back down, almost came back down to a second rebound, but it rebounded anyway. And that even makes this, as you can see, falls a little bit in line with this level here. So that makes it for me an intermediary important level to go forward on, because as you can see, we've had a test here, and even twice here before with a bit of a squeeze to the downside, but both were able to keep price in check. So going forward, very important then will be to take out this $12.85, and once through there, expect then to see some more upside lift that could even reach all the way up to this level here, so 48, almost 50% rally going forward from where we are at the moment. So a very nice entry level to get into, all because of the fact that the price is consolidating a little bit. You could draw a little bit of a trend line on there, which makes this again sort of a bullish triangle with price. And as we are on the low end, very interesting to step in here. So go long now, wait for the breakout. Here we go in. Here we have the breakout, and then it can only jump up all the way up to that higher level. On the downside, of course, which could happen is that with geopolitical news, the fact that ApeCoin is very new to the market, should interest fade quite quickly and investors turn away and back to the more major ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Expect then a break in two tiers. First, a break of this green trend line up. We fall back towards this green trend line, and then it might be that we dip all the way back to that red trend line over here, which would then mean around $8.20 to the downturn. So two patterns to keep or to be aware of. But that's it for ApeCoin for today. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.